Welcome back to my channel. So for today, since it is February 1st, we're gonna be doing like a Valentine's look.
Yep.
And Isabella's in here with me in the room. So yeah, you might hear her a lot.
Yep. You're already hearing me.
Anyways, I'm gonna hurry up and do my eyebrows, so I'll be back. So like I already kind of did my base too, so we'll just get to the makeup. So I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the mystery Christmas one. So I'm gonna use a paintbrush. So honestly, I'm gonna need a little powder on my eyes. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera real quick, so I'll be back. So we're gonna take some white base paint real quick. So we're gonna take some water. And we're gonna take a paintbrush. What you want?
I don't know.
And carefully pat this in.
Carefully pat this in.
Yeah, girl. So I kind of got like a good idea. So on this eye, I kind of wanted to like draw a heart in it. So I'm gonna do it pink, and then I'm gonna do this eye with the white heart. We're gonna be taking Diva by Jeffree Star. So now we're gonna do the pink heart real quick. So now we're gonna be doing a blush. We're gonna be taking blush for that. Morphe brush E48. A mixture of prick, cherry soda, and tongue pop. So we're gonna make some hearts real quick. You see? Isabella says leave a like.
Made it by myself.
Oh yeah.
Without.
You can come in here and tell him.
You can't even fit. Hi.
Were you gonna say something?
That. Like and subscribe.
See, you heard it from Miss Bella, everybody. Like and subscribe.
And also comment down below. You said you subscribed.
Yeah, do what Isabella says. We're also gonna be taking some black, not marker, black eyeliner. And we're just gonna use some lip gloss. And this is from Glamlight. I believe this is the horchata one. I think. I don't remember. Or I think it's the true one. I don't know. Last thing we're gonna do is highlighter. So I was thinking of using like a mixture of these two, the candy floss and sweetener. I was gonna put some lashes with this, but no. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna be doing 14 days of Valentine's looks, so subscribe so you can be seeing me doing that. But yeah.
And also, how many likes do you wanted?
I don't know.
You know.
But anyways, leave a like, comment down below, and if you want to keep on watching me doing my 14 days of Valentine's looks, subscribe so you can be notified when I upload. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye. Say bye, Isabella. You're not gonna say bye?
Oh, and also, do you have Instagram?
Yes.
So they need to follow Instagram of you.
I have it in my bio.
Bio?
Yeah, if you want my Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok, it's in my bio or the
Or Facebook.
description below. No, I don't want them to have my Facebook, girl. Anyways, bye.
Wait to get my hands on this food. Come on out, cuz!
Ray, cut it out. You're gonna make it mad.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha. He should be worried about making Ray mad up in here.
I didn't even have the money for. If I could make you feel so rich, I don't mind feeling poor. There's something about you so addictive, had me needing more. Yeah, I just wanna hold you, baby. You say it again.